Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for some cartoon fun today? I know I am. First up, let's talk about our favorite little pig Peppa. Have you seen the latest episode where Peppa has a massive rain dance party? It's one of the most fun episodes ever. Picture this, huge muddy puddles, everyone is invited, and the music is just perfect for jumping up and down. Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and all their friends are there. They're splashing, they're dancing, and they're having the absolute best time. It's a great reminder that a little rain can't stop the fun, and sometimes the messiest days are the most memorable. The animation is as bright and cheerful as ever, and the giggles are totally infectious. It's a must-watch for any Peppa fan. Now, after all that puddle jumping, you might be looking for some new adventures. Well, you're in luck, because we're going to dive into some amazing new cartoons that you and your little ones are going to love. We've been searching for the best new shows and I've got a fantastic lineup for you. These aren't just any cartoons. They're packed with cool stories, lovable characters, and important lessons. So get your comfy blanket and your favorite snack, because we're about to find your next cartoon obsession. Let's get started and see what's new and exciting in the world of animation. First on our list of new cartoons is a show called Dino Ranch. If you love dinosaurs and cowboys, this is the show for you. It's about the Cassidy family who live on a ranch that's also a dinosaur sanctuary. The three kids, John, Min, and Miguel, have their own dino buddies, and together they go on all sorts of exciting adventures. John is the leader, and his dino is a super fast raptor named Blitz. Min is the dino doctor, and she takes care of all the dinosaurs with her gentle brontosaurus Clover. And Miguel is the inventor, always building cool gadgets with his trusty Triceratops Tango. What I love about this show is how it teaches teamwork and problem solving. Whenever there's trouble on the ranch, the siblings have to work together, using their unique skills to save the day. The animation is vibrant, and the dinosaurs are just so cool. It's a little bit of the Wild West mixed with Jurassic Park, but for kids. It's action-packed, full of heart, and you'll find yourself roaring along with the dinos. Next up, let's talk about a really sweet and magical show called Gabby's Dollhouse. This one is so creative. It starts with a live-action girl named Gabby, who has a magical cat ear headband. When she puts it on and shrinks down, she enters her dollhouse, which becomes a whole animated world. Each room in the dollhouse has a different theme and is home to a different cat character. There's Cakey Cat in the kitchen, who loves to bake yummy treats. There's Meerkat in the bathroom, who does spa science. And there's my personal favorite, Pillow Cat, who tells amazing stories in the bedroom. Every episode is a new surprise. Gabby gets a small box, a dollhouse delivery, and inside is a little something that kicks off the day's adventure. It's a show that really encourages imagination, creativity, and a can-do attitude. Plus, the songs are super catchy. You'll be singing Hey Gabby all day long. It's a wonderful, gentle show that's perfect for preschoolers. Alright, moving on to our third new recommendation, a show that's all about friendship and nature. It's called Pickwick Pack. This series follows four adorable animal friends, Suki the hedgehog, Axel the raccoon, Tibber the hippo, and Hazel the cat. Together, they work for the Pickwick Post, and their job is to deliver surprise packages to the charming residents of their town. But here's the twist. Each delivery comes with its own challenge. Maybe they have to cross a rushing river or navigate a tricky maze. They always have to rely on each other and think creatively to get the package to its destination. The show is beautifully animated with soft, warm colors. It's really great at teaching kids about responsibility, teamwork, and the joy of helping others. Each time they successfully deliver a package, you see how happy it makes the recipient, and it's a wonderful feeling. It's a calm, positive show that's perfect for winding down after a busy day of play. Now for something a little different, for the slightly older kids who love a good mystery. Check out Ridley Jones. This show is from Netflix, and it's fantastic. Ridley is a curious and adventurous kid who lives in a museum. Sounds cool, right? Well, it gets even cooler. At night, when the museum doors are locked, all the exhibits come to life. And Ridley is the museum's protector. Her team includes a mummy pharaoh, a daredevil dodo bird, and a dinosaur named Dudley. Together, they have to keep the museum's secrets safe and solve problems that pop up after dark. Ridley Jones is amazing for a few reasons. First, the main character is a strong, brave girl who leads her team. Second, it's packed with history and science, but in a super fun way. You'll learn about ancient Egypt, space exploration, and different historical figures without even realizing it. The animation is top-notch, and the stories are genuinely exciting. It's like Night at the Museum, but as a cartoon series, and it's absolutely brilliant. Last, but certainly not least on our list is a show that will get you moving and grooving. It's called Blue's Clues and You. Okay, so this one isn't brand new, it's a reboot of a classic, but it's done so well that it feels fresh and deserves a spot here. Our new host Josh is energetic, friendly, and great with his guitar. And of course, Blue is as adorable as ever. They still play Blue's Clues to figure out what Blue wants to do, and we get to help by finding the 3 clues. The format is interactive, which is perfect for young viewers. It encouraged them to shout out answers, think through problems, and participate in a story. They've updated the animation, the songs are catchy, and familiar friends like Mailbox and the Shaker family are all back. It maintains all the charm of the original while feeling modern and new. It has a show that truly understands how to engage little kids and make learning feel like a game. It's a joyful, educational, and feel-good show that bridges the gap between generations of fans. So, to recap, we've got Peppa Pig's Epic Rain Dance Party, which is a perfect episode for a fun, splashy afternoon. Then, we have 5 incredible new and noteworthy shows for you to explore. Dino Ranch for the dinosaur and adventure lovers. Gabby's Dollhouse for the creative and imaginative kids. Pickwick Pack for those who love stories about friendship and helping others. Ridley Jones for the mystery solvers and history buffs. And Blue's Clues and You for an interactive musical and educational experience. There's truly something for everyone here. I hope this list helps you find your next favorite cartoon to watch. Trying new shows is a great way to discover new worlds, new characters, and new ways to have fun. Which of these shows are you most excited to check out? Or do you have another new favorite cartoon that I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you and getting your recommendations. It's always great to build our cartoon community and share the best content out there. After all, sharing is caring, right? And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We've always got more fun reviews, cartoon news, and recommendations coming your way. Thanks so much for watching today. Stay happy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.